Beans! They're small, unassuming, and often overlooked, but don't let their size fool you. These little wonders pack a nutritional punch that can rival even the trendiest superfoods. Beans are a fantastic source of protein. This makes them an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans looking to up their protein intake. But that's not all. Beans are also brimming with fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. This fiber helps you feel full and satisfied, making beans a great ally in weight management. And let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals. Beans are a good source of iron, potassium, and folate, all of which are crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. Whether you enjoy them fresh, dried, or canned, beans are a versatile and delicious way to nourish your body from the inside out. They're the true definition of a superfood, hidden in plain sight. So next time you're planning your meals, remember the humble bean? It's a nutritional powerhouse just waiting to be enjoyed. Beans have a long and storied history intertwined with human civilization, dating back to ancient times. For centuries, they have been a staple food source in cultures across the globe, providing essential nutrients and sustenance. Archaeological evidence suggests that beans were cultivated as far back as 7,000 years ago, showcasing their long-standing importance in human diets. In ancient Mesoamerica, beans were revered as a sacred food, forming a vital part of the Three Sisters planting method alongside corn and squash, which together provided a balanced diet. This ingenious technique not only provided complete nutrition, but also promoted sustainable agriculture by enhancing soil fertility and reducing pests. In ancient Rome, beans were incorporated into religious ceremonies and were even used as a form of currency, highlighting their value beyond mere sustenance. From the vibrant stews of Africa to the comforting dals of India, beans have played a starring role in countless culinary traditions, enriching diets with their versatility. Their ability to thrive in various climates and their remarkable nutritional value has made them a cornerstone of diets worldwide, adaptable to many different environments. Today, beans continue to be a vital food source, especially in regions where access to other forms of protein is limited, ensuring food security for many communities. Their legacy of sustenance and cultural significance is a testament to the enduring power of this humble legume, which continues to nourish and sustain people around the world. Venturing into the world of bean cultivation, you'll encounter two main categories: bush beans and pole beans. Understanding their differences is key to selecting the right type for your garden and needs. Bush beans are the sprinters of the bean world. They grow into compact, self-supporting bushes, reaching heights of about 2 feet. These speedy growers produce their bounty all at once, making them ideal for preserving or freezing. Pole beans, on the other hand, are the marathon runners. They send out long, twining vines that require sturdy support, such as stakes, trellises, or even corn stalks. Pole beans have a longer harvest period, providing a steady supply of fresh beans throughout the growing season. The choice between bush and pole beans depends on your available space and desired harvest pattern. Bush beans are perfect for smaller gardens or containers, while pole beans maximize vertical space and provide a continuous harvest. The world of beans is incredibly diverse, offering a rainbow of colors, shapes, and flavors to tantalize your taste buds. Whether you prefer the classic green bean or crave something more exotic, there's a bean variety out there for you. For a taste of summer, try Blue Lake bush beans. They're known for their tender texture and sweet flavor, perfect for steaming or stir-frying. If you're short on space, Mascot bush beans are a great choice. These compact plants produce an abundance of flavorful, stringless beans. For a touch of whimsy, consider Purple Queen pole beans. These stunning beans boast vibrant purple pods that turn green when cooked, adding a splash of color to your plate. And for those seeking a unique culinary experience, dragon's tongue beans are a must-try. Their pods are speckled with purple streaks, resembling a dragon's tongue. These are just a few examples of the incredible diversity within the bean family. Experiment with different varieties to discover your favorites and add exciting new flavors to your garden and plate. Sowing the seeds of success. Planting your bean dream. Planting beans is a straightforward process that even novice gardeners can master. With a little bit of preparation and care, you can enjoy a thriving bean garden. Beans thrive in warm soil, so wait until after the last frost has passed and the soil temperature reaches at least 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 degrees Celsius before sowing. This ensures that the seeds have the best conditions to germinate and grow. Choose a sunny spot in your garden that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Beans need plenty of sunlight to produce a healthy and abundant crop. Beans prefer well-drained soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH. Testing your soil beforehand can help you make any necessary adjustments. Improve drainage by adding compost or aged manure to your planting beds. This not only enhances soil structure but also provides essential nutrients for your beans. Plant bush bean seeds about 1 to 2 inches deep and space them 2 to 3 inches apart in rows that are 18 to 24 inches apart. Proper spacing ensures that each plant has enough room to grow and access nutrients. For pole beans, create mounds or hills and sow 3 to 4 seeds around each support, spacing the supports about 3 feet apart. This method helps the plants climb and makes harvesting easier. Water your bean seeds thoroughly after planting and keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Consistent moisture is key to successful germination and growth. With proper care, your bean seeds will germinate within a week or two, and you'll be well on your way to a bountiful harvest. Watching your beans grow from seeds to mature plants is a rewarding experience for any gardener. Troubleshooting for triumphant beans, conquering common challenges. Even with the best intentions, occasional challenges can arise when growing beans. These challenges can sometimes be disheartening, but they are a natural part of the gardening journey. But fear not. With a little knowledge and some practical tips, you can overcome these obstacles and ensure a successful harvest. One common issue is poor germination, which can be particularly frustrating for new gardeners. This can be caused by several factors, such as planting in cold soil, overwatering, or planting seeds too deeply. Each of these factors can hinder the seed's ability to sprout effectively. To improve germination rates, ensure the soil is warm enough, water consistently but not excessively, and plant seeds at the appropriate depth. These small adjustments can make a big difference. Another challenge is pest infestations, which can quickly damage your plants if not addressed. Beans can be susceptible to aphids, spider mites, and Mexican bean beetles. These pests can cause significant damage if left unchecked. Inspect your plants regularly for signs of pests, and treat them promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil if necessary. Early detection is key to managing pest problems. Diseases such as bean rust or powdery mildew can also affect bean plants, leading to reduced yields. These fungal diseases thrive in humid conditions, making it essential to monitor the environment in which your beans are growing. To prevent their occurrence, provide good air circulation by spacing plants adequately and avoid overhead watering. Proper spacing and watering techniques can significantly reduce the risk of disease. By being proactive and addressing issues promptly, you can protect your bean plants and ensure a healthy harvest. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in maintaining a thriving garden. Reaping the rewards. Harvesting and savoring your bean bounty. Harvesting your own fresh beans is a rewarding experience that brings the joy of gardening straight to your plate. The timing of harvest depends on the type of bean you're growing. Snap beans, as their name suggests, are harvested when their pods are young, tender, and snap easily when bent. Shelling beans, on the other hand, are left to mature on the vine until their pods begin to dry and the beans inside have plumped up. These beans are then shelled and used for drying or fresh cooking. Dried beans are left on the vine until the pods have fully dried and turned brown. The entire pod is harvested and allowed to dry completely before shelling and storing the beans. Whether you prefer the crisp snap of a fresh green bean or the hearty texture of a dried bean, harvesting at the right time ensures optimal flavor and texture. From garden to table. Enjoying your bean harvest. Freshly harvested beans are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Steamed, sautéed, roasted, or added to soups and stews, beans bring their unique flavor and texture to a wide range of dishes. Snap beans are delicious, simply steamed and tossed with a knob of butter or your favorite herbs. Try sautéing them with garlic and a squeeze of lemon juice for a simple yet flavorful side dish. Shelling beans, such as cranberry beans or black-eyed peas, are perfect for hearty soups, stews, and chili. Their creamy texture and nutty flavor add depth and richness to these comforting dishes. Dried beans are a blank canvas for culinary creativity. Soak them overnight and simmer them low and slow to create flavorful bean dips, spreads, salads, and more. The possibilities are endless. Growing your own beans is a simple yet deeply satisfying endeavor. From their nutritional prowess to their historical significance, beans offer a wealth of benefits to gardeners and food enthusiasts alike. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a sunny windowsill, there's a bean variety and growing method to suit your needs. So why not embark on this rewarding journey and experience the magic of beans for yourself? Sow the seeds, nurture the plants, and savor the bounty of your harvest. You'll discover that growing beans is not just about gardening, it's about connecting with nature, embracing sustainability, and nourishing your body and soul with the fruits of your labor.